Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Let's talk about the watch list for, let's give an update here. So everything is coming down nice and cheap, and that's good opportunity for us because we get excited when stocks drop under their 200 weighted moving average. When that happens, we get excited. So here are the list of stocks that I have my eyes on for accumulation. You want to accumulate stocks right now, especially when they're cheap. This is not the time to be scared. This is not the time to be like, oh no, end of the world. This is the time to look at the stock market and go, yes, give it to me even cheaper. And so here we are. Let's go here. Let's just start with SoundHound down here. I don't know about SoundHound. It dropped like 15%. But if you believe in this one, it's a buy. If you believe in this one, it's a buy. That's all I'm going to say. It's a buy. Just start buying. You always want to buy when it goes under that purple line. Anytime it's come under it, it always pumps back up. Always pumps back up. Always pumps back up. So nice and easy pattern to abuse. SoFi, I don't know enough about it to comment. IonQ, don't care. Riot stock, keep accumulating this one. That's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for 750 to add another round of 300 shares. And I have sold some puts to accumulate shares at $8 as well. So I'm just sitting on like, I'm just going to collect shares. Literally, just going to keep buying shares, buying shares, buying shares. And this one has price targets of $23, $20. And it can go to minimum 15 plus. So already a good deal. Again, we're buying at a discount. We're buying underneath that 200. So Riot stock's another good one. Tesla, if you believe in Tesla, it's a buy. Like, you never want to buy it when it's way up here somewhere above that 200. You want to buy it when it's cheap. So this is, again, if you believe in this one, buy it. Am I buying this garbage? No. Baby AI, nowhere near the 200. So this is not a buy. Wait for it to at least touch that 200 at around $3. APLD is a buy. Literally just start accumulating. Serve Robotics, don't care for it. Color stock, waiting for $1 to accumulate a little more. Probably the riskier trade I have. Probably might be my first loss. We'll see. But let's see, RGTI. Still, I'd wait for that 200 at minimum. Palantir, way above the 200. Again, wait for that 200. It's not there yet. MSTR might be a good short, but I don't know if I want to accumulate it. I guess if you believe in if it's just going to follow Bitcoin, then just start accumulating it. It's under the 200. Anytime it comes under that, again, it's been nothing but money in the bank. Nvidia, same thing. Anytime it's come under that 200, it's money in the bank. You just got to accumulate it. I will be looking to add it at $100. If this comes down to $100, I'm adding. Yeah, $100 a piece is a steal. Mara, same thing. I'm accumulating that one as it goes lower. UEC, same thing. Accumulating as it goes lower. Again, everything's dropping because market conditions, tariffs, etc. Fear, all that good stuff. Which is good. We get an opportunity to buy real cheap. You know, you wanted Nvidia at 100, you might get it. This is not the time to be afraid. This is the time to go, yes. AITX, buy and hold for the next pump. We should get a pump somewhere in late March or early April because they're invading a robot, a humanoid robot, I believe. I think that's it. I don't really care about anything else on this watch list. So let's go to the other watch list and let's see if there's anything else that catches my eye. If you like to take high risk, high reward trades, hollow stock here. A lot of people love this Chinese stock. Likes to get huge pumps. So, you know, can move 20 to 100% or more. On you, if you want to play this one, that's on you. It's very risky, but there you go. This one's a buy if you want to, you know, maybe make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. Don't care about ASTS or plug. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, wait. No, no, I don't care about silver. Stag, no, we already played that one. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else here that might be a good buy. I mean, holy crap, Microsoft. I don't know if I want to give Microsoft a buy. Just better to buy Nvidia at this point because it's cheaper and more volatile. And has way more potential. I mean, at the end of the day, people have to buy their chips from Nvidia anyways. Quantum computing ETF dropping. I don't think, is Lulu a buy? It's hey Lulu, it's right at the 200 and buyers are showing up. Guess what? At the 200. Surprise, surprise. I don't know if you want to buy Lulu. If you believe in Lulu, buy it. It's always a buy whenever it comes under that 200. Just this one's like Tesla. It's very volatile. It can move hundreds of dollars up and hundreds of dollars down. So I don't like that kind of volatility, which is why I don't like Tesla. I'd rather buy something a little less volatile. But Lulu is a buy technically where it's at. Man, we're going to see Nvidia at $100. That is insane. GameStop coming on down to the bottom. The bottom is down here at around 18 to 21. Always comes down there after having huge pumps, right? Always comes down here. So that's where I'd be looking to buy GME. I think that's it. I don't see anything else. DKNG. Ooh, DKNG. Let me see. DKNG. I'd wait. I believe in DKNG, but I'd wait. There's a feeling. I just have a feeling. Just wait for DKNG to drop lower before. I think DKNG is a buy, but I'd wait for like $30, in my opinion, because that one moves differently compared to some of the other stocks I've talked about. At least when it's around the 200, I think let it drop lower. Color stock, no, we already talked about that. Shopify is another good one. It's finally down at. Look what happens when you wait for it to come down to that 200. You get such a huge discount compared to the suckers that bought at the top at 130. But yeah, anytime this one comes under that purple line, it's always a buy, right? It comes down under it, it's a buy, you accumulate it, and then it goes way, way above it, and then rinse and repeat. So it's almost like history repeats itself. This is a buy. Under 100, start accumulating, in my opinion. It's close enough to the purple line. So start accumulating. Don't lump sum here, just add like, a tenth of your position. Like that's how you have to think of it. Let's continue here. Is there anything else that's caught my eyeballs? Hymns? No, it's still too far above. Oh, Rich Tech Robotics. People wanted me to talk about this one. Rich Tech Robotics. I don't know enough about this one, honestly. We traded it here when it was holding this range, but we didn't buy back in here because it looked too bearish. It looked like it wanted to drop lower, and it did. So good thing we didn't buy. If you're in the Discord, you should not have bought in because I didn't buy in. Like I told you guys, it's not looking good. Let's just stay away from it. So that if you're in the Discord, you saved yourself the pain of holding a bag on that because we don't know anything about it. I just know that it was holding a range and we were taking advantage of it. But now I have no idea. But if you believe in it and you've done your due diligence, then it's a buy. It's literally at the 200. Up to you. But I'm just going to buy Bitcoin mining stocks. And APLD, Nvidia, and a few others. But that's about it. So there you go. That's the watch list. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, I am doing a 100% win rate challenge with 3K total. So 3K account, 100% win rate challenge. And it was so far 2 months and 4 days in, we have 10% return, about 10% return on 3K. And I'm doing this challenge just to show people, even if you have a small account, less than 3K, you can still grow that account slowly but surely. Slow and steady wins the race. Number 2, you have no excuse not to keep winning. Like if you have 3K or less, there's no reason not to keep winning. You should not be losing. And if you're not losing, you're always growing. And if you have employment, that's even better because you can just keep adding to your pile from the check. And then eventually you get to 10K and now you're making, $1,000. Or no, not 1,000. I think it would be 500 a month. And you just keep exponentially growing like this, slowly but surely. Too many people want to get rich quick, and I'm just showing you through this challenge that you can get to 25K without ever losing. From 3K. 100% win rate. That's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.